SQL and PLPGSQL. So today's topic is about SQL subquery. In this topic, we will learn about the basic knowledge of SQL subquery. So first point is SQL subquery is a SQL query nested inside a larger query. तो definition ऐसा होता है कि subquery is nothing but query inside a query. Then we will go for the next point. A subquery may occur in select clause, from clause, and where clause. So SQL subquery we can write in select clause also, from clause also, and where clause also. Then we will go for the next point. The subquery can be nested inside a select, insert, update, or delete statements, or inside another subquery. So इस स्टेटमेंट का भी मीनिंग सेम होता है. हम सिलेक्ट स्टेटमेंट, इंसर्ट स्टेटमेंट, अपडेट और डिलीट स्टेटमेंट में सब क्वेरी राइट कर सकते हैं. देन वी विल गो फॉर द सेकंड पॉइंट. You can use the comparison operators such as greater than, less than, or is equal to. The comparison operators can also be a multiple row operators such as in, any, and all. So there are two types of subqueries in SQL, and these are single row subqueries and multiple row subqueries. So for single row subqueries we use less than, greater than, and is equal to operators, and for multiple row subqueries we use in, any, and all operators. So types of subqueries we will see in the next video. Then we will go for the second point. You can use a subquery in a select, insert, delete statement. This is also same. Here we will see the syntax of the subquery. Select, select list from table where operator, select, select list from table. In red block, this is our inner query, and select, select list from table where operator, this is our outer query. So two queries we have used in this syntax, that's why this is called as a subquery. The subquery inner query execute once before the main query executes. The main query use the subquery result. So in statements का meaning है कि there are also two types of subqueries, correlated subqueries and non-correlated subqueries. In non-correlated subqueries, inner query first will be executed, then outer query will be executed. But the in correlated subqueries, the operation is reverse. Then we will see the subquery examples. So here are 2 points. Here are two tables I have created, student table and marks tables. In student table there are two columns, student ID and name, and in marks column there are also two columns, student ID and total marks. So as per the tables we will go for the question, and question is like, write a query to identify all students who get better marks than whose student ID is V002, but we don't know the marks of the V002. तो स्टूडेंट आईडी V002 का स्टूडेंट नेम है अभय. सो अभय के मार्क्स से ज़्यादा जितने भी स्टूडेंट के मार्क्स ज़्यादा है उन स्टूडेंट का डेटा हमें क्वेरी थ्रू फेच करना है. तो इस क्वेश्चन का रिजल्ट हम बाय यूजिंग सब क्वेरी भी निकाल सकते हैं, और बाय सेपरेट सेपरेट क्वेरी लिख के भी हम इसका रिजल्ट फेच कर सकते हैं. सो फर्स्ट वी विल गो फॉर द separate result by separate queries. First query, in first query we will get the marks, total marks of the above student, because in question they have written but we don't know the marks of the V002 student ID. So first we will go for the total marks of the student ID by using this query. So we have we have written like, select star from marks where student ID is equal to V002. So this is our first query. By using first query we get the total marks of the V002. Then we will go for the second query. In second query, I have written select student id comma name comma total marks from student comma marks. Here we have joined two tables where student id is equal to student id, means I have used alias name a and b. A is for student table and b is for marks table, and condition is b dot total marks is greater than 80. so ये इस क्वेरी से हमें जिस मतलब V002 के मार्क्स से जितने भी ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स है, स्टूडेंट का मार्क्स है, वो डेटा हम यहाँ से फेच कर सकते हैं. सो यहाँ पे क्वेरी रिजल्ट आप देख सकते हो, स्टूडेंट आईडी नेम टोटल मार्क्स. So by using separate queries we can get this result, but by using subquery we can also get the result of this query, result of this question. So question आपने तो समझ लिया ही होगा. So by using subquery कैसे इसको इस result को fetch करना है हम सीखेंगे. So here we can see select a dot student id comma a dot name comma b dot total marks from student a comma marks. Here I have joined two tables, student and marks, where student id is equal to b dot student id and total marks is greater than student. Select total marks from marks where student id is equal to v002. So here I have used subqueries. By using this subquery we can get the same result. So instead of writing two queries we can directly use the subquery. This is the benefit of the subquery. And so this is the basic concept of the subquery. And thanks for watching this video.